Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Linkind Solar Landscape Spotlights. This set of spotlight is made for landscaping, to make your yard or garden more vibrant and colorful, as I have here the multicolor version that I got for my garden. The product packaging is simple and straightforward to protect the contents inside. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the retail packaging. Inside the box, users will find 1 user guide, to help users understand and know more about the product. 2 mounting hinges also included to facilitate the adjustment of the lighting angle. 2 plastic anchors are provided for the LED solar spotlights in order for them to be placed into the ground, like on grass patches. Next out is 2 Linkind landscaping solar spotlights, all packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Linkind solar landscaping lights look really cool in design. When holding onto it, the material feels solid and durable. The LED panel is nicely fitted at the top of lamp, giving it an overall modern and classy look. Let's proceed to get it set up and installed. There are 2 installation options. Users can get it wall mounted or ground inserted, using the hinges and screws provided. If users would like it wall mounted, it looks good either way, whether using it on the ground or mounted on the wall. It is really easy to install, just screw on the hinges using the screw provided. Tighten the screws after adjusting the angle of the light to an ideal angle. Users want to have it ground inserted, they can install the ground anchors that was provided in the retail packaging, easily inserted by getting it plugged into the slot at the bottom of the hinge. It stays in place securely. Now both of my lamps are set up easily for ground insertion. Let's get it installed in my garden where I am lacking some light at night. Installation is really simple, just insert it into the grass by applying pressure and it is done. Now my lights are fitted securely in place. They look really great in terms of design and functionality. Between different color choices I desire. How cool is that? Simply toggle the color mode and brightness with the red settings button at the back of lamp. It is easily controllable and responsive to my setting input. At night, the light powers on brightly. As you see, my garden now is illuminated in white lightning, helping me light up parts of my garden. It keeps my landscape illuminated brightly at night. It can be alternated with the 8 colors as I mentioned earlier, here in green, which looks amazing and fun, while the yellow color makes the grass patch look more natural and warm. With a maximum power runtime of around 12 hours when fully recharged by solar power at night, powering through the night. Awesome! When it's daylight, the solar lamp will auto shut down and begin to recharge using the natural energy the sun provides, and when it is night, the lamp will automatically turn on with its built-in sensors that detect light and darkness, knowing when to turn on and off fully automatically. Cool, right? It is also IP67 waterproof and with anti-UV ABS material. It can withstand heat even at high temperatures, great for using it under many different environments, day and night, all day long. If you are looking for an LED landscaping lamp that is solar-powered, cordless, and easy to use, you can consider the Linkind Solar Landscaping Lamp. I like the cordless, convenient and easy to use design that is durable under many environmental conditions. Find out more about it with the link in description. Thank you for watching.